at it. Look at them, they're all on top of each other.
I think this is essential learning. I think it's vital for kids. It's hands-on, it's tactile. I serve classes all year round, and even in the winter I have classes indoors, but a lot of times in the fall and spring, the classes are outdoors. You know, our property is about 35 acres, and within that 35 acres we have, you know, prairie, forest, wetlands, and the Blue River, of course. And so that to me gives students an authentic learning experience outdoors.
We went around and we collected water samples and we looked at them through a microscope and found what organisms were in the water, and we tested the water quality. It was really cool because I got to see animals that I haven't seen before, and all of the animals were really friendly. It's just really cool that we get to see all these animals and that we have this opportunity.
Learning with, you know, not only the auditory modes of learning, and the visual, and the tactile, and the kinesthetic, and we react things out. I think all of those kind of help to make sure that kids are really learning and they're remembering the experience that they have out here.